Hello guys, welcome back to CADtastrophy. So today we are starting a new exercise series in AutoCAD. First, today we are draw this 2D exercise in AutoCAD 2D. First, we need to draw this middle portion, this four circles, 16 mm, 21 mm, 32 mm, and 40 mm radius. Okay, so let's start. First, go to AutoCAD and check units. If it's millimeter or inches, here it's inches, select, so select millimeters. Okay, now we have to start the drawing from this xy quadrant. So select circle, C for circle, 0 comma 0, and give radius 16 mm. Okay, again select 0 comma 0 and 21 mm. Third circle 0 comma 0 and 32 mm radius, and the fourth circle which is 40 mm radius. Okay, see, our fourth circle is ready. Now we have to make this two lines from middle. This is 6 mm, so from middle this is 3, this is 3. Okay, first select line and from middle 0 comma 0 take one line. Keep this ortho mode on so it's straight. Now go to offset command and through 3 mm. Okay, both side, here, here. Okay, now select trim and trim the unwanted parts, unwanted lines which we don't need, and this. Okay, now again we have to draw this line along the circle, and this is total 6, 1 2 3 4 5 and 6 cutout. So choose this polar array and select these two line. Okay, select the center point and make this 6. Here item choose 6. If we choose 4, then it makes 4 here. Okay, and if we select 6, then it makes 6. Okay, we need 6 here to select 6 and close that. Okay, now select trim command. Either you select from here or doing command, it's your choice. Now delete these unwanted lines. We have to delete each by selecting manually. Okay, see, our middle portion is ready. Now choose line and from middle make one line here. Stretch this line little bit upward. Okay, now second thing, we have to make these two circles which is the distance in 70 mm. Okay, so choose offset and give 70. Okay, here again we have to make this circle center point also. So make this 60 mm offset and here 50 mm offset. Okay, this is 60 and this is 50 mm. See, we find this center point also. First choose circle and from here make one circle 15 mm radius. See, 0 comma 0, sorry, C, 0 comma 0. Okay, we have to select manually from here. Give 20 mm radius. Okay, now again select circle, and this point make one circle 15 mm radius, and another one 21 mm. Okay, see, now delete these unwanted lines. Erase. Okay, now choose line and make one line from here of this orthogonal tangent to here. Okay, see, this is little bit down. Okay, it's fine now. Now we have to draw this arc also. So choose fillet, select radius 20 mm. Okay, select this circle and this circle, make one arc 20 mm. Okay, now delete unnecessary lines. This. Okay, see, now mirror this portion about this line. So select this, this, and this. Mi mirror about here to here. Erase source object. No. Now again we have to mirror these two parts below here about this line. Okay, so select each one of them. Okay, we have to deselect this. We don't need the circles. See, now go to mirror and mirror about this. No. Okay, see, our drawing is quite ready. Delete the unwanted lines, this and this. Erase. Okay, fine. See, our drawing is ready. So thank you guys, thank you for watching. If you like, then please like, share and subscribe.